The cricketing world is currently captivated by the intense rivalry between Ireland and Bangladesh, a topic trending globally on November 27, 2025. This heightened interest is directly linked to the recent conclusion of their Test series and the immediate commencement of the T20 International Series, as detailed in a comprehensive research report generated on this date. Bangladesh secured a dominant 2-0 series sweep in the Test matches, culminating in a commanding 217-run victory over Ireland in the second Test. This decisive match concluded on November 23, 2025, at the Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium in Dhaka, according to the report. The significant result, combined with the swift transition to the shorter T20I format, has created a perfect storm of cricketing excitement, drawing global attention to the ongoing competition. The Test series finale was particularly notable for its competitive spirit, with Ireland showcasing significant improvement compared to their previous tours. Despite Ireland's efforts, Bangladesh's bowlers, especially Tajuul Islam and Hassan Murad, delivered standout performances that were crucial to their team's success. The immediate kick-off of the T20I series today, November 27, 2025, with the first match scheduled in Chattogram, ensures the spotlight remains firmly on these two nations. Fans are eagerly anticipating how the momentum from the Test matches will carry over into the fast-paced T20 format. This series is not merely about match results, it also marks historic milestones for several key players and holds significant implications for both teams' positions in the international cricketing landscape, fostering extensive fan engagement across various platforms and languages, including Hindi and Urdu speakers who are closely following the action. The series has solidified Bangladesh's status as a rising Test power while signaling Ireland's growing competitiveness on the global stage, according to the analysis. Bangladesh's victory in the second Test was underpinned by several exceptional individual performances, as highlighted in the November 27, 2025 research report. Veteran batsman Mushfiq Rahim delivered a stellar 106 runs from 214 balls, marking a significant personal milestone by becoming the first Bangladeshi player to participate in 100 Test matches. His century provided a crucial anchor for the team's innings. Complementing Rahim's effort, Liton Das also played a pivotal role, scoring 128 runs from 192 balls. This innings not only contributed substantially to Bangladesh's total but also saw Das reach the impressive career milestone of 3,000 Test runs, further solidifying his position as a key player for the national side. On the bowling front, Tajuul Islam emerged as a record breaker. He claimed 4 wickets for 76 runs across 35.3 overs in the match, an achievement that propelled him to become Bangladesh's leading wicket-taker in Test cricket, surpassing the previous record held by Shakib Al Hasan, according to the report. This performance earned him high praise from Bangladesh media, which declared, "Tajuul wears the crown of the best Bangladesh bowler." Adding to the bowling prowess, Hassan Murad also made a significant impact, securing 4 wickets for 44 runs across 22.3 overs. These combined efforts from both batsmen and bowlers ensured Bangladesh's dominance throughout the second Test, setting the stage for their comprehensive series sweep. The strategic decision by Bangladesh to bat first after winning the toss proved instrumental in establishing their control over the match from the outset, as noted in the match details. Despite the series loss, the Irish team displayed commendable resilience and individual brilliance throughout the second Test, as detailed in the comprehensive research report. Curtis Campher stood out with a defiant unbeaten knock of 71 runs from 259 balls, showcasing remarkable grit in a challenging situation. His performance was a testament to Ireland's fighting spirit, even in a losing cause. Ireland's captain, Andrew Balbirnie, acknowledged Campher's effort, stating, "Curtis can be proud of his work. We were outplayed, but the fight was there." On the bowling side, Andy McBride delivered a standout performance in Bangladesh's first innings, securing an impressive 6 wickets for 109 runs across 33.1 overs. His ability to penetrate the Bangladeshi batting lineup provided crucial breakthroughs for the Irish side. Additionally, Lachlan Tucker was the top scorer in Ireland's first innings, contributing 75 runs not out from 171 balls, further demonstrating the team's capacity for individual excellence. Harry Tector also played a significant role, scoring a half-century with a swift strike rate and building crucial partnerships that offered glimpses of Ireland's potential. Furthermore, in the first Test of the series, Paul Stirling scored 60 runs, highlighting his importance as a key player for Ireland, according to the report. These performances underscore Ireland's ongoing development in Test cricket, signaling their growing competitiveness on the international stage. While the overall result favoured Bangladesh, the individual efforts from players like Campher, McBride, Tucker, Tector, and Stirling indicate a promising future for Irish cricket. The conclusion of the Test series seamlessly transitions into the highly anticipated T20 International Series, keeping the cricketing spotlight firmly on Ireland and Bangladesh. The first T20I match is scheduled for November 27, 2025, at 6 p.m. local time in Chattogram, as confirmed by the research report. This immediate shift to the shorter format adds a new dimension to the rivalry, with fans eager to see how both teams adapt their strategies and player selections. The T20I series is expected to feature key players like Mustafizur Rahman for Bangladesh, whose inclusion is anticipated to add significant excitement and bowling firepower to the home side. For Ireland, players such as Harry Tector, fresh off his half-century in the Test series, will be crucial in their efforts to challenge Bangladesh in the faster-paced game. The trending topic, Ireland vs Bangladesh, reflects a broad spectrum of fan interest, with search queries ranging from Ireland cricket team vs Bangladesh national cricket team match scorecard to specific player searches like Harry Tector and Paul Sterling. The global reach of this series is further evidenced by searches in multiple languages, including Ireland बनाम Bangladesh from Hindi, Urdu-speaking fans, according to the report. This widespread engagement underscores the growing popularity of cricket in these regions and the increasing international appeal of both teams. The Test series itself was a landmark event, solidifying Bangladesh's status as a rising Test power, particularly with Tajuul Islam becoming their leading wicket-taker. Simultaneously, Ireland's improved performance, with players like Camphor and Tector emerging, signals their significant progress in the sport. The impact of the Ireland vs Bangladesh series extends far beyond the boundaries of the cricket field, influencing the broader cricketing landscape and shaping player legacies, as analysed in the November 27, 2025 research report. Bangladesh's dominant performance in the Test series reinforces their position in the ICC rankings, signaling their continued ascent as a formidable Test-playing nation. Conversely, Ireland's demonstrated improvement, despite the series loss, indicates their growing competitiveness and potential to challenge higher-ranked teams in future encounters. This series has been particularly significant for individual player legacies. Mushfiq Rahim's achievement of playing his 100th Test match and Tajuul Islam's record-breaking feat of becoming Bangladesh's leading Test wicket-taker are historic milestones that will be remembered in the annals of Bangladeshi cricket. These accomplishments not only celebrate individual excellence but also inspire future generations of cricketers. Fan engagement has been a defining feature of this series, with widespread global interest evident through live streams and detailed scorecards being followed in multiple languages. Major cricketing outlets, including ESPN, Cricket Australia, and Cricket Ireland, have provided extensive coverage, further amplifying the series' reach and driving deeper fan involvement. Looking ahead, the outcomes and performances from this series are expected to set the stage for future tours and could significantly influence ICC rankings and qualification pathways for major international tournaments. The comprehensive research report concludes that the Ireland vs Bangladesh series is trending due to the compelling conclusion of a competitive Test series and the immediate start of the T20I series, making it one of the most talked about cricket events of the year.